For store them inside Douala here for that side from Bopi. They don't burn. Waiting happen. We go talk this afternoon. For that side so from Gaundere, we go talk Palava big day for indigenous people the way it pass. Yesterday, my minister says it be day from Gaundere for happen this Palava. So from Gaundere, we go talk this other Palava for refugee people them with their own competition set from Dambam. It don't start. This one. Everyday now under United Nations their own I say with the refugee people then say they be start their own competition. Sabi say women football team people them they don't already sign a book for talk say they go she done for work like man football coach for inside country here for 4 years. Even as we ibite before the sign book last they be put pen on top paper for talk say true. Now them they go she done for Chewe Ideso Ego Bruce. It be 11 for back. Toriwe newspaper talk we go bring unto this afternoon. Big part talk, it come out for that side so for Kumasi for Ghana. A talk for we say waiting, say all Oyibo people them, na black people. I say all Oyibo people them, na black people. Now it means say waiting. When you see Oyibo man a shadow for ground, na black in the show. In the show say it be white man. Na Iliasu Bello for Kumasi for Ghana. Now it's same with big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back some time. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una this last time for inside the Equinox Story House for the week. Sabi say for Saturday na PG News debate. But before we enter for that side, Tori for this afternoon. We start for Douala ESFSEP for talk this Palava fire where he surprise people them for that side so for Bopi it be dinner for night around 10 o'clock 11 for night where fire just a cash. Now for some binet place them this first store the way fire cash for them they make binet for tingni and some other electronic palava them for inside that side. No man in no sabi side where this fire is start and waiting it cause before fire is start cash for that side so for inside this 4 binet place them where fire cash for inside. But sabi say if no na for sika say army rescue people then say they be run with their motor with water they go for go lost the fire that fire so if for cash it enter for plenty other people their own business place them as so we talk no man in no sabi but they store the way it dey so that fire enter for inside it be concerned as store the way they so they may be net for tingni and other electronic arrangements for just for opposite veterinary place for side from Bopi. Plenty people them they be done the toxin and Bopi market be the born. No be na Bopi market at all. It be then as on store them where they just then for corner roads for inside Bopi side there for place where they look out animal them beef them where they vaccinate beef the way they call them for BB Queen Elisa country talk say veterinary. So now first store the born. And more than 10 million we hear say it don't lost for sika the bond way fire cash for them. So now we know if it talk for now waiting way pass before this fire a cash and a bond this 4 billion place them for place where they call them say Mbopi. For Kumba side, Oga's senior divisional officer Ntu Ndong Shambalen he don't na comfortable. He say all delegates the way they don't run for workplace make they turn back for office. This one it happen where Ogan Tundong it be the make surprise worker for different delegation them for inside Meme division. They enter for agriculture delegate place. He place it dey lock. No man know the day. Oga SDO SSF a push door no open. Now so to one time ask am who side this Oga delegate SSF a day. Now grass it don't cover the whole delegation for agriculture. So for that side for Kumbawe it show say Oga delegate SSF a never enter for inside workplaces. Other small delegation to Oga SDO worker enter for inside. He only meet up na door them where they lock. Now for talk say waiting. It means say all the delegates SSF for seeker the confusion for northwest and southwest. It don't make unto them SSF they fear for come workplace. So Ogan Tundon Chabalen he don't talk say any governor workman where he place a dey lock make he sabi say if you no come back for office one time na his salary go start cry. Yes, his salary go start cry. Even for side for Mark Jenny Kumba, their own represent no man e no dey so grass for all corner. Tundon Chamberlain e don talk am say any man wey e no come for office, salary e go start suffer, e go hear hot in the proper, so that they go sabi say work na work, whether na wetin e dey happen, dem must to come for workplace. No man e no get for fear hate. All thing e show say people dey don abandon work, all man e don run enter for Sosongo. Na for inside place wey dey call am say Kumba Meme division, wey this one e pass so. Sabi say Oga Tundon e be dey make na surprise waka. We enter for chapter for Chakaram na weekend. Bangante people dey so crying, particularly Bineman wey e dey so they can chakara a place wey e be don work day before they can chakara a place. E dey so the Bineman tori wey dey enter for we ear. E talk for we say the Bineman e dey so. E be don do wetin, e be don talk say, e be don talk for Bineman say make e no continue for make a house for corner road. But the man e throw hate, e also go make house for corner road. Chakara a house, e vex, e carry na stick dem block road. As wey e block road, people dey no be fit for pass on top. Last, big man for inside Bangate, assistant big man, e can talk with a population for that side. Say no be na so they go look up palava them. One time, population say e start for do wetin. Population na dem say they start after the small donga men. They start for comot all that plank the way they so they don't fair block roads. They be try for tell we say they so that man wey the chakara place. Now for Sika say e no be respect commandeer for make house for corner roads. E go make a house right for corner road. Now for Sika why that way they go chakara a place. So palava e dey na for that side for council for Bangante for sabi wetin wey they get for talk. So for Chakara chapter we go enter again for this one wey pass for that side. So for Banga Bakoko na for Villa side country people them wey e dey so army Ketu them for gendarme Debide them. The city council their own caterpillar and police SSF they be there for them. Now for talk say waiting. Now for talk say they so now big people then where they get some company for that side. They do surprise chakara for people them where they dishidon on top their land. Tori wey enter for we ear now say that company e no like where people they don't be house for on top their land. E dey make water wey dey comot for company. E no dey fit for waka fine. For Sika that one, they no even talk for the people there they shidon for the land. They can chakara all the people their house. Someone they way na house and way e dey so they don't always start for make it turn up for up. They just finish foundation where they never enter. They can't chakara where they no even give warning. Say e dey so they can't chakara. Other people their house where they chakara for that side. Now house where they don't already people that they start shidon for inside the house. Chakara tin them even important book them like a birth certificate, identity card, and other small thing them. It lost for inside the house where people they don't start shidon for inside, and plenty of the people that they cry for Sika say they can't chakara house, they no talk for them, and small time to school e go start. Who side they go start for carry their pikin and go? Now the big question that way they try for ask and just now for this palava for chakara house. Now tori wey just the enter for we ear for that side. So for Boya before we come make we take una go for Loom country people them for Loom side after election wey e dey so they announce name them for people the way they go turn out for vote for 2018 for Genyun Kunkumam. We turn for inside Loom side for try for here wait they so people they check am for the 9 name them. You sabi say Nkunkuma Sesep now one of the person them. For CPDM we get Maurice Kamto for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. We get even OC Joshua for SDF. Akeremun Sesep Ide for his own party. We get even people there like Prophet Frank and Serge Espoir Matomba, Cabral Libi, we all them so they put their name them for the chapter for vote. So for inside loom, Jacquino Molum, it be try for Tonton for ask people them. Waiting the check for inside the 9 name them where it they so they don't come out say they go turn up for name for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Make we hear wait where people they talk for Jacquino Molum a microphone.
So passing now with Papa, he don't begin work. That work we never finish and we must kill him for before say finish that work. If he left it that work like a fan no go be. All a man say can begin that work, he go be we go begin being that's so for back. That they can't take him not be now for you know he go talk. Now vote go talk no. Then no must take chair with the gun. Now for vote. If they then go compte voix say na them don't pass, they can then go take them. But I'm not sure. Say them fit take what way with Papa don't begin now. Parce we party be some big party. Big party.
It's the 9 people them we don't say that they will go represent Cameroon for presidential election. Yes, they at least be fine. From now, elect cannot try work better than O'Neill and the other organization where they be the affiche whole people on them. But one thing lack for the list, because for the list there is no woman, and then we don't know a woman them not the do politics for Cameroon or how. One problem there, and the problem be very serious, because that police station where they don't put them for commissariat and about presidential, then come militaire, they not will be people don't will be free for go vote because they will jam one thing, they will be fighting. As he say, we still get something to do, but we thank Elekam because they don't try to respect the period to publish the note them. We welcome to accept all the opposition to select one man.
Just for Sabise, before we enter for that Tori, we did try for talk. Na Tori we Oga Ekema Party Sesep, again for make investigate on top. We did hear say some of your council police them, according to Tori we just enter for we EM. They harass your own citizen them for your town. With the yes say even palm oil, they check ticket for the palm oil. Where mommy they don't come up for buy them for inside market. So Oga Ekema Patrick, as Sabi say be better mayor for Boyam. Now for you for investigate, your council police them according to Tori Jody enter for we EM. They the whole mommy them say me the show book for oil where they don't go buy them. Red oil no be accept say na any kind oil where they don't go buy them for market. Say me the show book when na council police them they do that work. So as Sabi say mayor he get for do investigate on top that palaver, then he give casting for the council police them where they the home mommy there they don't go buy their red oil for market where they turn back say me they show book, or if not they go pay them small choco before they come out with the red oil. Now Tori we just enter for we here now. So another chapter for Tori for this afternoon, we take una go for that side from Gaunderim. It be then a big day for indigenous people them according to Tori we enter for we EM from Gaundere side. Plenty people they be come out for that side from Gaundere. Make we enter now so for this other Tori from Gaundere side for talk this palaver for indigenous day. It be then a chapter and a minister Seseb it be day for see wait way fit talk for inside the chapter. Sabi say plenty of our brother them and sister them the day where they look them like say they no be people them like the pygmy them, the bororo them, and even some Fulani them. So it be been a day for say make that show these people them for talk for them say them Seseb the day important for inside with society, inside with country. No man in no day like say in no day all people they as we dey talk. And so now for Sika why that way the big day it be happen and minister Seseb he go now for that side so from Gaundering for go glad this big day for indigenous people them before he will be get plenty cargo the way the people then Seseb they fix them the Fulani they make their own thing pygmy then Seseb they be get their own thing for sure and for a minister way it be day like that one the way they see pygmy that they show now their own medicine that and even their house where they ever she done it is here now medicine that it be then a big ngando for that side so for inside Gaundere. Now so make we get small sound waiting happen from Gaundere. Jean Bless Nupei e be carry we this small mutumbu for that side. some of the things then that we own sister them, we check say they no get for shido with we they do am, but sabi say now we sister them, we brother them, whether na how na so inside one country we dey. So we take una go for Limbem, for Livanda village as we they call am. Now for that side so where it dey so they don't put vigilante committee people them for that side so for Livanda village. Now for inside Limbe where this arraignment happen, and they put these people then so for chair where it dey so palava for thief it do over plenty for inside Livanda village for inside Limbe one, and it be then a big ngando as we oga di osesep for that side for Limbe e come out chief sesep e come out for talk wine na di osesep if I give the first close for the vigilante people them, and inside this ngando way pass for that side where they give them power. They talk for them say may they no put all power for their hand, may they no carry all power for their hand. Say some kind thing the day where they get for carry am go for ngomna for administration, say may they look at them. So waiting they go take look at that village where they call them say Livanda na touch, and waiting even phone thingy the day plus other small thing the way they give them for them, say may they take look at Livanda village. Gaundere we turn back for day for talk say even as they don't run for different places for can't be she don't from Gaundere, it no mean say them too they no get right. Refugee people themselves from Gaundere they get their own small competition. Ndamba for that side so for Bogop now for day so with this arraignment it pass for inside the week so they launch competition. All that house you already see and so now refugee people them where they don't run for different sides where they can't she done for them. Down for say me they she don't they no do no nothing, they don't make them better competition where it starts for that side so for Bogop, and they picking them they say me they get their own time picking woman picking to get right for doing them whether na woman or na boy or themselves they get the same power for doing them. So Ndamba competition for Bogop for this picking the way na refugee it don't start, and na chapter for keep this picking them to they busy as well they combi them for different side they make busy for inside holiday time. We go take now, we go for that side so for Boya for talk say Ideso Reverend Father Nugi Sup Alexander after we they come out a die body for mortuary for Boya this sometime. So we talk now for this side they don't already bury Reverend Father for that side so for cathedral now for small support now for the way they so they make big prayer for Reverend Father Alexander Sop sabi say Father he die now for June moon for that side so for Moyoka where he dey so he be the turn back where he be come out for Moyoka side the turn back bullet he meet up Reverend Father and time they be come out he die body this sometime for that side so for Boya he be then a plenty crime as we all church people them, Catholic church people them, plus even one day they be combi them for Reverend Father Alexander Sop, they be come out for can talk bye and for talk for say Papa God, he look at him. And for that side, according to Toriwe enter for we EM, Father them, they don't talk say na plan killing, they kill their combi na kill am, say no be na any two way pass. But as we talk, they don't talk say me Father, he owns a soul, he rests in peace, but na say make this palabam for Norwest and Southwest, it last end. As we are talk, they don't already bury Reverend Father Nugi Alexander Sop for that side so for Boyam. As we start to read for this side, we go surely turn back for that image for other news for Inside Equinox Story House. Last story for this afternoon na for talk this other palava na Ndamba sese we go talk am for talk say we don't get man football coach official the new man Ndamba coach people them they don't sign their book even as we they be take plenty time before they want come last Clarence Sidorf wey na be the head boy and he own assistant Patrick Kluivert all them. Now this early morning time for Friday after we they be fair waste plenty time. Now that time when they come for Inside Ministry for Sports and physical education for can put paper or for can put pen on top paper for talk say true. They be the new man Ndamba team head boy them and assistant head boy sabi say the people them they sign a 4-year contract for Shidon on top man football team. Sabi say their first thing wey they get for do na for say they get for try all kind of style for say make they continue for keep that cup wey Hugo Bruce e win am for Mandamba wey e be pass for Gabon for 2017. All this palava for signing book e be happen na for before Minister for Sports and Physical Education Dr. Pierre Ishmael Bidungpat and before big man for normalization committee for Fecafoot wey dey call it say Barrister Jodene Happy and other combi dem. Tori people dem say sef dey be dey even sleep sef na for inside Ministry for Sport for Sika say before this signing be wan happen e be dey na palava again for talk plenty. They begin for talk plenty with Clarence Seedorf and Patrick Kluivert before last they be comot for can sign book. After Minister Ismail Bidungpat e give Clarence Seedorf in own JC. He say Seedorf na your close be this, you be the official person for local women football team. Sabi say that couple winner for Gabon, you must to keep am. Oga Kluivert, you say Kante your own mayo, na your own JC that you be assistant man for Clarence Seedorf. Una get for work hand for CC Mandamba e remain for inside we country as well we say sef wey dey happen am for 2019. After we did two combi they sign one time they go there for airports, go back for their country, they go turn back for country small time. But sabi say apart from Mandamba team they get for work with the other Ndamba them other team them for inside we country. Now the tori then that for this afternoon, country people them before we go, make we see wetin wey newspaper dem say they get for talk for we this last day. The Guardian Post e turn back for talk palava vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Constitutional Council say they don't take some paper where it talks say make they comot the current Kunkuma Pobia on top chair. Waiting e pass and waiting e no pass, so they talk say make they move, make they comot this our own Kunkuma for on top this chapter for votes. Una fit enter for the Guardian Post for sabi that one. So for inside chapter for election, they say one big person for inside SDF e don cross carpet. Oga Maurice Kamto na SSF e don talk calm good for Njamen wey SSF before been for SDF. Inside the same chapter, Northwest and Southwest, we take una go for that side for talk say some Reverend Sister SSF they don't shoot for that side. So for Ginicom, this one it dey come wey Cali people dem say they dey cry as so they dey bury one father or where they don't bury one father today for that side. So for Boya, then chapter 2 for votes they will hear say big people them one the way they get up for Southwest they dey try for talk say make Nkunkuma e can start a campaign for palava for Nkunkuma for that side. So for Southwest. The post weekend SSF a day for outside. The post weekend I did tell we say palava for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. The roads and the fights it don't start after we elect SSF. It be common name them for the 9 people the way they get right for Shidon on top this palava. So for inside the post weekend you feel read them. Bishop then say they don't talk. Confusion for Northwest and Southwest. They don't tire. May they left Cameroon with this kind of war where you no get head, you no get tail. Inside the same story, President Joseph Kabila SSF last he don't talk say he go down. He means say no go Shidon again like a president for a country. All Anglophone Conference 1993 for Boyam waiting it be happen for the post weekend it get all that to read them for inside the plus other one where you fit for reader. So now the tori then that will get them for this time, country people them and even you where you come up for that side for Obangong with the Giona invite for special conference for all Obangong people that way go happen for Susa side for number 8 day for September month. We want to say happy birthday for you again. Besong Magdalene Darcy, 6 years. You did she done for that side for Isokolo for Big John is side. So PG News Debate, it come for Saturday, 12:30, so for 1:30. We return back for some of the tori them will it pass inside the week and we go get with stranger them. We wanna go discover tomorrow when we come for here for 12:30. We want to say big thank you for all one don't join hands. Say make Dongamen it pass fine for this side Monday, Sote Friday, and we sabi so na go so be there for giving the support. Big thank you for you, Da Silva Michael. Big thank you for you, Dipanda Raphael. Big thank you, Nadine Wafo, and even you, Zephyrin Gondi. Mrs. Ep, big thank you. On a hold on tight, Sote tomorrow.